Hello guys. So in today's video we are going to count numbers. Okay. So here I have taken one simple page and I have linked with app.js here. So let's work. So here I have given only hello first to just check that if page has linked or not. So here we are getting hello. So that means it has linked. Okay. So we are going to count numbers. So we will change with count and we will give one button also. Increase number. So that means whenever we will click on this button, it should increase, right? So we have got the count and button. So here we will put first of all on click function. So on click equal to, and we will give arrow function. And first we will check with console.log. So clicked. So if it has clicked, then it will show there. And here this one we will remove. So here we can see, and here we will give count value 0. So count equal to 0 and we will pass this count here. Okay, count. So here we can see that count is 0 and it should increase from here. Let's inspect it and see the value. Console, and whenever we click, it has been clicked 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whenever we are clicking, it's counting numbers here. Okay, now let's do some changes here. Remove this and convert this into function. So let count number equal to, and this function copy and paste, and this is arrow function. So we will paste here and let's add number increase also. So to count the number, we will do count equal to, and whenever we click, it should increase 1, right? So count plus 1. Okay, and now console.log count. Okay, where we are missing here, we have to pass this value. Okay, and now let's check once again. Something went wrong. What we are missing here? Comma. Let's format. Okay, so we are getting error because here it's unable to add the numbers. Okay, here we have given counts and we are counting to trying to count the number, but it's available to count here. Okay, so here we will use useState method. So counts useState method we use in brackets. So count set count equal to useState. Okay, and here count number is 0, right? So we will pass here 0 and useState here. So useState, and inside that we will do count plus 1. Okay. Okay, so what we are missing here is useState. So we have to use, this is the function, right? And by mistake I have used useState itself. So here is the useState and count plus 1. We will put this here, and now let's check. Okay, so refresh this and count is 0. We will zoom this little bit. Okay, so here whenever we click, here it's showing count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you see count 10 is here. Okay, we have count till 10, but here it's showing till 9 only. Do you know the reason why it's happening like that? Okay, so I will tell you. So refresh this once again, and here it is 0. So whenever you will click, it's showing 1. But in React, it array start from 0, right? Numbers start from 0. So here it's showing 0 itself, but here it is 1. So it will become 2, and here it will become 1. 3, 4, 5. And because of this, it's showing one number less. So this is it. And here you can do some, if you like, you can do some CSS things here. So that's done. And you have to write this thing only to get the output. I hope you like the video, and don't forget to format the code, and it's done. I hope you like the video, and if you like, let us know in comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.